What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nigerian Wedding Diary. My name is Odigo, and today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 things you should know before proposing. So let's get into it. The number one fact is that you should be sure about your partner, because it's always the guys that propose, right? Yeah. Always be sure about your partner. You should be confident. You should know that she's the person you want to spend the rest of your life with. Let's assume that your babe or your partner, she's always pressuring you, telling you that suitors are coming, this one happened, one guy stopped me today. Then with that fear and that anxiety and the pressure, you're not gonna marry her tomorrow. You start calling your ancestors and start saying, this one happened, oh, she's not the one for me. Oh. My dear, you don't have to. You just have to cool down, relax, and know that this person is the right person for you, that this person is someone you want to make your home with, you want to make babies with, you want to spend the rest of your life with her. So that is the number one thing every guy should have in mind, because this thing is for the long haul. This thing is something that is going to go for decades. It's not a relationship, it's called marriage. So that is the number one thing you should have in mind, so that you're not going to be calling your ancestors. Secondly, don't ever forget that you should make sure that she's the one. You should make sure that she's sure of you. You know that kind of saying, you might be loving someone and she's loving another person. She's wishing for another person to propose to her. So you have to be sure that she's sure about you, so that you not get the capital no. So in this second part, you have to always be sure that she is sure about you, that she also wants to make this life with you, spend the rest of her life with you, make babies with you, live out her life with you. You should always be sure that she is the one, and that she also know that you are the one, so that you won't go and fall your hand. Because I've seen a lot of people engage or propose, and they get a capital no. You should wonder and ask, what happened? Why did this lady say no? Because she doesn't want it. She's not in for it. She doesn't like the guy to the extent of getting married to her. Probably she likes the guy to be in a relationship with her, but she did not want to go into the marriage. She don't want to bond with this guy. Marriage is an everlasting thing. It's not like a relationship that you can just quit tomorrow. Marriage is a long haul. You understand? It's something that is for a lifetime. So you should always be sure that she's sure about you, that she wants to be in this game with you, that she wants to live out her life with you. Thirdly, it's very, very important. It's important to get the parents' blessing before you propose, before you get down on that knee and propose to your girlfriend or your babe. Please make sure you get the parents' approval. Nowadays, we seem to forget all these things. Before, I see, probably my mom told me that the dad went to see the parents to ask for her hand in marriage before even telling her about it. So before you make any step or you do anything, make sure you get the parents' approval. Make sure you have a backup. Make sure they approve of you to marry their daughter. If not, you are going to actually regret it, because imagine you, after proposing to your girlfriend, and you went to go and collect lists or see the parents and they disapprove and they don't like you. It's going to be a very, very shameful thing. You start fighting, you start arguing, you start feeling depressed. So the best thing and the very, very important thing is to get the parents' blessing before doing anything, before taking any bold step. The first bold step you have to take is to get the parents' approval. The next thing you should do is planning. There's no right time, but there's always a right place. In this planning, you should actually study your baby. You should actually study the lady you are dealing with. You should know if she's an introvert or extrovert. All these things will make you make a perfect plan. Probably there's no perfect plan, but probably there's something you will do that will actually make her not forget that day. In this planning, don't make it perfect. Don't try to do like Emeka. Don't try to do like Nnamdi. Just Be yourself. Know what she wants. Know what will make her happy. Know what will make her cry. Know what will make her go crazy. Understand? Because this day is going down the memory lane. Whether you like it or not, she's going to tell it to her children, her children. It is going to go on and on. So planning is the end thing. Planning the place, planning the weather, planning everything, planning how to talk. You don't need to plan how to talk. Just let it flow from inside. Be confident, keep it simple and sweet, let it flow. But the right place matters, you understand? So planning is the end thing. And I know if you plan well, you will get a good result. Finally, is choosing that ring. I mean, choosing that rock she will rock. You understand? You know, some ladies like it simple, some ladies like it huge, some ladies like it glittery, like shiny, you understand? So before you choose a ring, you have actually studied the person you are dealing with. You actually knows everything about her. But do you know the kind of ring she wants? Do you know how huge, how simple she likes it? So all these things are the details you have to know before choosing a ring. It's very important to know what your lady wants. So on the day you are going to show her that rock, she's happy that you're proposing to her, and she's happy that you know what she loves. Like example, I'm going to use myself as an example. When my husband proposed to me, it was so wonderful. I was so happy, but out of all the happiness, I was so happy because he picked what I love, the kind of ring I want, the kind of ring I will be able to show off, because it is the kind of thing I like. Very, very simple. So choosing a ring is very, very important, because that ring is a representation that she has been engaged, that she belongs to someone. So it's going to be a big show off. So please, choosing that ring, you have to be very, very cautious and very, very careful, because it's one of the most important in proposing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was educative. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, turn on your post notification, and leave a comment below. I'm your favorite girl, Odigo, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Voila.